Now let's review this figure 21-67 that deals with the equipment. Now notice that we can use certain types of equipment as illustrated here. And then notice that the zone 0, only intrinsically safe equipment, could be used in the IEC. But over here, the following equipment should be permitted to be used: explosion-proof enclosures, purging, and intrinsically safe. Now we find this now equipment that could be used in 500.7 of the NEC. Now, Zone 1, equipment permitted to be used, still in this Class 1 Division 1 that you see here, see. Zone 0, we could use this equipment in Class 1 Division 1 and Zone 0. Now, equipment is permitted to be used in this Zone 1, see, still in Class 1 Division 1 of the NEC. Flame-proof enclosures, pressurized apparatus, intrinsically safety type equipment, all emerged, increased safety, power filling. Now we can use any of these in the Zone 1, but notice we can only use the explosion-proof enclosures, purge and pressurized and intrinsically safe in the divisions in the NEC. Now getting into the Zone 2 that we're looking at here, then notice all equipment certified for Zone 0 or 1 requirement should be permitted to be used in a Class 1 Division 2 or Zone 2 area. But notice over in Class 1 Division 2 in the NEC, then we can use any of the equipment in the Class 1 Division 1 above: explosion-proof, purged and pressurized, intrinsically safe. And then notice, additionally, we can use hermetically sealed contacts, because we have to take care of the contacts. All immersion of contacts, non-incendive circuits. Now this is 501.105 of the NEC and 501.150 of the NEC. But this gives you a comparison of the equipment used in the zones and equipment used in the divisions, depending on which method do you use. Do you use the divisions or do you use the zones? And the equipment, you can read about it in 505.20A through E, NEC 500.7A through L is what we're listing, and then you go through the rest of the equipment that's listed there in 500.7. So this figure then that we're looking at, 21-67, just basically illustrates the different types of equipment that could be used in the zones or in the divisions or both. That's basically what we're looking at here. So the column to the left is your zones, the column to the right is your divisions, and that's the type of equipment that can be used, period. And that's what your figure 21-67 is illustrating.